Hey guys, I'm back and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to make a tandoori chicken at home using some simple spice that is easy to find in your Asian market, online, or hopefully in an Indian supermarket close to you. And with that said, you will need some chickens. I have 3 pounds here, and then 1/4 cup of yogurt. I'm using this brand of yogurt. And then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we will need garlic, ginger, salt. In my case, I'm using a Pink Himalayan Salt, and then black pepper, Kashmiri chili powder, and then this is a kasuri methi or the fenugreek seed, and then this is a red chili powder. So these are the brands that I'm using right now for these. So as you guys can see, if you guys can find this one, this is what I am using. And then this one is for the Kashmiri powder, and this one is for that red chili powder. If you guys don't want it to be too spicy, you can lower the amount of that chili powder. The Kashmiri powder is not so spicy, so it's mostly for coloring. Alright, with that said, let's go ahead and mix all our stuff in here. So you want to go, what I do is I put everything on the yogurt, so when I mix it on the chicken, they are just even, and the taste is all even and not scattered. And I'm making a mess. Okay, that's all right. That's what kitchen is for, right? Okay, there we go. And then we add the lemon juice, and then the oil. So I'll add the oil later. I want to go mix this one first really good, so the flavor and the color will gonna be mixed together real well. You want to go keep this on the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight for the best taste. Now that we have mixed this really good, we're gonna add our oil. There we go. Make sure everything is in there, and then just mix it again so it's all mixed in our seasoning. Right, so this is the consistency you're looking for. It looks really good and smells super duper good. Right now I am using a thigh. I prefer dark meat, and I prefer the thighs because they have more meat than the drumstick or the legs. But you guys can use whatever parts of the chicken you prefer, because I know a lot of you guys would like the breast or the white kind of meat, but this is what my family prefer, so this is what I am using. So just dump it in. All right, and now just mix it. So it's better to use your hand to mix them all, so all the crevices will gonna be covered real good. So you want to make sure that it covers the whole chicken, all the meats and the wonders. So if you want it darker color, you can add food coloring, but I don't like adding food coloring, so just add more of the Kashmiri chili powder, and that way it gives you that restaurant color tandoori chicken that you wanted, if you prefer it that way. But I don't like food coloring, so we're sticking to the natural way of coloring our food. Alright, so I'll be adding another tablespoon of the Kashmiri powder because I like it more colorful. But you can do these or omit these if you don't want it a little spicier. But I want mine to be like this, and so you guys are seeing me making it exactly. So you add it in the very end, and so it's more dark. So you already added everything, right? And then add the last tablespoon of the Kashmiri powder to give it the last red coloring color. Coloring color, if that makes any sense. But I think you guys get the idea why I added in the last, because it gives you this bright red color. Since we mix it really good, so as you guys can see, look at that. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be done with these and then I'll show you guys how to cook these and see if you guys will gonna like it. You don't have to use an oven or a grill for this one. So that is a good thing. So if you guys live in an apartment, in a place where grill is not allowed, then it makes it a lot easier. Alright, so that is that. You guys can see how colorful and nice it is. So tomorrow we're just gonna go cook it and show you guys how easy it is to make. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.